How to back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos, here's what you need to do. So first, just open up your Google Photos on your device, and now just click on this profile section at the top right corner. Make sure you have already logged into your account so you can see your profile icon, and as you can see, you can also get the account storage information over here. So now all you have to do is just click on this backup button over here and make sure you have enabled this option, that is backup button over here, so which will enable you to back up any files or folders from any of the specific applications. So if you can't locate your files, you can simply tap on this can't find photo or video option at the bottom, and once you're inside here, just click on this first option, that is check device folders. So here, once you're inside here, just locate the WhatsApp images file or folder just like this, and once you locate it, you can simply enable the option called backup button over here just like this as well. So once you do that, whenever you save WhatsApp photos from your WhatsApp, that photos will be saved and stored over here as a backup on this Google Photos. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.